Hi everyone. I hope you had a really nice weekend. I'm sorry for the confusion on Friday. I guess I kind of misunderstood how this was all going to work out. And on Fridays, the Fridays are apparently reserved for office hours. My office hours will be between 10 and 11. So if you need to communicate with me during that time, just send me an email or send me a message on Microsoft Teams and we can figure something out. I'm really available between 8 and 12. I check my email 2 or 3 times at least Monday through Friday. So I'm pretty much available anytime during those hours to help you out if you need it. So please don't hesitate to ask. Mrs. DeFazzi is also available, so you can do the same thing if you need help and want to try to contact her instead. That would be fine. Her office hours will be on Fridays from 9 until 10 o'clock. So on Fridays, I will not be posting a lesson or a chapter to read or anything like that. There will be other activities and that kind of thing going on Fridays, and you will get more details about those activities as we go through the summer school session. So for today, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to have you first listen to and follow along with in your hard copy Chapter 4 of Island of the Blue Dolphins. Sometimes I'll ask you to do the activity or assignment first and then read the chapter. This time I'd like you to read the chapter first and then answer the questions on the Google Doc that I provide. Or if you want, the questions are coming from this paper that was sent to you. Let's see if you can see it. This paper that was sent to you last week. So you should have that in your manila folder. And if you want to answer the questions right on that hard copy or on a separate sheet of paper, that's fine with me. Just take a picture of it and email me the picture, or if you know how to do it, you can send it to me on Teams, a picture of it, or even attach to the Google Doc that I provide. Whatever is easiest for you is fine with me. And I just want to go through and read to you the questions that you will be answering with this assignment after you have listened to Chapter 4. So if you should have this paper out, it says Understanding the Story. Well, mine's the answer key, yours isn't. Understanding the Story, chapters 1 through 4. So, and down at the bottom, it says page 35. So you should have that out. You can follow along with me while I read to you the questions. For the multiple choice, number 1, in chapter 1, the Aleuts come to the island because A, they want to make peace, B, they want to hunt sea otter, C, they want to hunt dolphins, or D, they want to settle there. For number 2, Karana's common name is Wanapele, which means A, the girl with long black hair, B, the girl with the short brown hair, C, the girl with the curly hair, or D, the girl with the big black eyes. For the short answer portion, you can answer the short answer question with 1 or 2 sentences, please. Please make sure that you answer in complete sentences, though, and restate the question in your answer. Number 3, according to the people of the island, what did Chief Chowig do that caused him bad luck? So if you're restating the question, you're going to say, according to the people of the island, comma, Chief Chowig had bad luck because, and then go on and explain it. So 1 or 2 sentences should be fine for that one. Please be as specific as you can. You do not have to give a direct quote unless you want to. If you do decide to give a direct quote to answer the question or help you answer the question, that's great, but make sure that you have quotation marks at the beginning and the end and the page number that you found it in your book in parentheses. For the long answer, it doesn't have to be very long. For a long answer, more like 3 or 4 sentences would be fine. Number 4, describe the disagreement between Karana's father, Chief Chowig, and the Aleut leader, Captain Orlov. What happens as a result of the disagreement? So you're going to explain why Karana's father and the Aleut leader, Captain Orlov, were arguing. What were they arguing about? And then what ended up happening as a result of that argument? So again, probably 3 sentences would be plenty for that one. Make sure that you're using complete sentences, and I'd like everybody to make sure that you are starting your sentences with a capital letter and ending with the correct form of punctuation. In this case, it'll probably be a period at the end of each sentence. The little extra part at the bottom, if you're following along on the hard copy, you have already answered. That was the one that I put up on Friday and then told you on Monday, if you didn't get to it on Friday, that you could finish it for the assignment on Monday. So in any case, at this point, you should have that paragraph written for me about whether you agreed with the people of the island refusing to share their fish with the Aleuts or not. So if you have not written that paragraph and turned it in to me, please do so as soon as you can. I'd love to hear what you have to say about that and what your thoughts are. I've had people turn in paragraphs where they did agree with the decision, and I've also had people turn in paragraphs where they didn't agree with the decision. And the people that have turned the paragraph in so far have really done a nice job of providing evidence from the text to support their claims. So that's about all I have to say for today. You can now take this time to go to the audio recording for Chapter 4, follow along in your text, and I hope you really enjoy Chapter 4. And the question shouldn't take you more than about 10 or 15 minutes. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Happy Tuesday. Bye.